Hey everyone, welcome to the Hour of Code. Hour of Code is a short programming session where you can learn some cool computer science concepts while playing games and having fun. So, who are we? We are the computer engineers of the next generation. And right after lunch, you are going to work on a fun project of your choice to help learn some of the cool computer science concepts. We have three projects for you to choose from, ranging from level 1 to 3, level 1 being the simplest and level 3 being the most challenging. Regardless, pick whichever project you think you'll have the most fun working on and that you think is the most interesting, as there will be a SENG member in every breakout room. So, regardless of which project you choose, there will be someone to help you if you have any questions or have any technical difficulties, and so on. If you have never coded before, do not worry at all. Our job is to make sure that you understand and you have fun. With all that being said, let's take a look at our level 1 game, Dance Party. Create your own animal dancer and teach them some cool moves. Let's take a look. All right. So if you do choose to play this game, be sure to watch the videos. They are very educational and you would learn a lot from watching them. For the sake of time though, and for the demo, I'm just going to game. So I'm just going to select my age, which is 15, and I'm going to click OK to continue. As you can see, we can select a song here. So when you run the program, it will play a song. You have four options to choose from. I will just keep it at the default for this demonstration. You have instructions up here that you can read if you would like to understand what you have to do, or you can listen to the instructions by pressing this button over here. Regardless, you have for what to do to complete the level. So add blocks to create your dancer and code them to do a new dance move. Click run to start dancing. All right, so it's telling me to start here. I will make a new cat. You can customize these. You can change this to a sloth, for example. You can change this to a different position, but I will just keep it at the default for the sake of demonstration. And I will run this. All right, more instructions have popped up. I need to add a block to make the dancer do a new move. All right, so I see this block makes the dancer do a new move. I will just have the cat do a body roll in this direction forever. You can customize it. I'm just going to keep it at the default, so I will leave that to you guys to mess around with if you would like. And let's run this. And there we go. We are done with the level, so we can click. And here's another video. Be sure to watch this. It is very, very informative, and you would take a lot away from watching it. So yeah, very cool game. I will leave the rest of the levels up to you guys. Now for level 2, we have Space Invaders. So using block code, help create a 3D Space Invaders game. All right, you can watch this video as well. I am going to skip it for the sake of time though. And here's another pop-up to watch the video if you'd like. Again, for the sake of time, I'm just going to click Start Coding. So up top, you can watch a guide video for the instructions on how to complete the level. For me, I am just going to read the instructions for the sake of the demonstration. All right, move the spaceship to the right and collect the coin, which is over here. Place the move spaceship right block inside the one green button click block, and then click on the green button to run the code. And there we go. Over here, it shows you a JavaScript version of your code. So JavaScript is a text-based coding language, which is different from the block-based coding language that we are working with here. But if you are interested in computer science, this is a very cool and good language that you could learn. And we do offer JavaScript classes at our organization. So if you're interested in that, you could always follow up with that. Anyways, let's move on to step 2. You can click Start Coding again. And as you can see, we have a lot more options here, more instructions, another guide video, and more coins. I will leave that up to you guys, though, if you are interested. As for our third game, we have Space Adventure. So use simple text commands to help your astronaut monkey find his banana. Alright, astronaut monkey loves bananas even in space. Move up makes the monkey move up. All right. So as you can see here, we want the monkey to reach the banana, and I think the solution is already given here when you boot up the game, so you have a good idea of what you want to do. It's moving about 4 times because there are 4 positions he has to go through in order to reach the banana, which is on the fourth position. So 1, 2, 3, 4, he will reach the banana. Let's run though, see if we are correct. And there we go. So that just kind of shows how the game works. And I think next level, we will have to code for ourselves. All right, so a little bit of code up here is provided. Move left. So the monkey would move left. Now I need him to move all the way back to the right to reach this banana over here. So if we move to the left once, he will have to move right 1, 2, 3 times to reach the banana. So down here, you can click the buttons to make the monkey move. You'll have to first start off each line with a move button and then followed by the direction. So we would have to move right here. And as I said earlier, we want to make him move 3 times to the right to reach the banana. You can also type if you prefer, so I will do that. So I will make him move right again and then right again. And then hopefully he should be able to reach the banana. All right, there we go. And I will leave the rest of the levels up to you guys. It's a bit of problem solving if you're interested with some text-based aspects. All right, so take the time now and during lunch to figure out and have a good idea of what project you want to pursue, what activity you want to do, so that when you come back from lunch, you know which one you want to do. You can easily join the breakout room and there is no confusion. There will be teachers in each room to help you, as I said earlier, so do not worry at all. Just pick whichever one you like the most. The goal is to have fun and to learn something about computer science. So really just have fun, right? It's not stressful. There will be people to help you and it's going to be a good time. So with all that being said, have a good idea of what game you want to play and we will see you right after lunch.